So today I'm going to go down and figure out where the fucking trail goes. I'm curious. And it didn't have any signs saying this is, you know, a private property or anything like that. So it's right across the road to the right there. I'm just going to pull up in here on the left. You know, there's no sign saying private property or anything. It says private pole there, but that's about it. Now I'm going to go with high range 4-wheel drive. Yeah, we'll just keep it in high range. We shouldn't need anything else. First gear high range 4-wheel drive. Here we go. No idea where this goes. I don't know if this is someone's driveway. I hope it's not someone's driveway. It could literally just go up here for like a couple of meters and then come to a stop. Actually, you know what? I'm going to put that in low range. So, yeah, see, it's still a little... Sorry for all the rattling. I've got recycling in the back. Large thing of to take down to the recycling place. I probably should do that before filming a video because, I mean, it's pretty rattly in this bitch. I guess I can open the windows now and get some outside noise coming in. So off to the left is the tip, is Blaxland tip, and this is kind of just, yeah, it's a little bit wider, I guess. Oh, I have my high beams on. Whoops. Actually, this isn't too bad out here. I think this trail would end sooner, but it appears to be fine. A little bit of water. A couple of tracks here too, which is not too bad. No idea where I'm going. Yeah, I probably should have chucked that rattly shit out, but you know. I've been eyeballing this trail for like, oh, I don't know, 3 weeks. But I've been really sick for like the past couple of weeks, so... And of course I'm at work, so I'm in the work ute. Can't take the work ute up here. I mean, you probably could, but like, I'm at work, so I'm on the clock. And... I'm not one of those stingy bastards. Okay, so 9:42. That's someone's house there. I'm gonna go and check. We'll find out. Looks like a motorbike track off to the right. Pretty skinny. I feel like going through something that skinny. 9:42, eh? What's that going to? Oh! Power lines. Cool. I'm not going to go down there because it's pretty overgrown. I might go to this 9:42, eh? I don't know if this is going to put mud on her or not. Cleaned her the other day, but we'll see. High voltage, keep off. Oh, I thought there'd be another trail from this, but there's not. So, oh, reverse, I guess. Oh yeah, we're in low range still. This is going to be nice and slow. You know what, let's try that overgrown trail. It'll just be access trails for the fucking power lines. They're not in too bad nick either, which is pretty good. The only problem is if there's nowhere to turn around down here, really. That's about the only problem. First gear, second gear, yeah. Oh, ground here's a little bit muddy, so that's a good sign. This is all overgrown, so it probably hasn't been used in a while, which is, you know, not the greatest. But, yeah. My paint doesn't really matter. Oh, hello. Hello, sweetheart. Now we're getting somewhere. Ooh, that looks like a bit of a downturn. It looks like a cliff right there, actually, just down past those bushes. Alright, I'm gonna go back, and to the right here, it's a bit more of an open trail. It looks like it loops around that way anyway. It might just do a complete circle, so we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, it looks like it just does a circle. That's pretty good then. This looks like some interesting terrain right here. Rightio. Nice and slow. Easy does it. We've got the ground clearance for this, so it's not a big problem. Oh, hello. Yeah, fuck, there's even more down to the right, but that's water runoff down to the right there. Might be a bushwalking track, but we're not fitting the car down there anytime soon. It's a little bit too close to the edge of the cliff for comfort, that next part down there, so like just to our in front there, off to the right ever so slightly is a cliff, so probably not the best place to come down, but oh, straight up it. I don't even have the front lockers engaged at the moment, so this is just basically in all-wheel drive mode. It's in four-wheel, but without the front lockers engaged, it's, you know, as well be all-wheel drive. So there we go. That was pretty interesting. Just have nice and easy out of here. Yep, there we go. Beautiful. Might actually turn those down to low beam. See more of the ground. There we go. Lights fade quick, as you can see. But that's now let's take this motorbike track. Fuck it. I think this one loops back around to the other one. Another little one I saw that ducks off down through the bush. If it doesn't, oh well, we'll just no, don't think it loops around to the other one. Oh, there was a bit of a clash of light through the trees up there. Maybe it was lightning further off. It's been a bit stormy today. Maybe there's a fucking camera in here. Maybe I'm not supposed to be in here. Who fucking knows? Bit sandy through here. Oh, okay. No, this might lead us back to where we were before. We'll see. Interesting little spot too, actually. Not too bad. It's like easy as fuck. You could get a freaking sedan in here. You could get a front wheel drive in here, you know, like maybe not down that back section near the cliff, but this section, 100%. I could bring the work ute in here, but I won't. Because it's not mine. Dude, clutch is holding up nicely. Yeah, actually, yeah, this is where I was before. Yep, that's off to the right there, or basically straight ahead between that, those two, that it looks like one tree, but it's two trees right next to one another. That's where I came in from. So, let's go to the left here. This is heading more back towards civilization and properties, so I wouldn't be surprised if this one turns into properties. Oh, there's a bit of a mud pit there. This is idea. Let's test her out. Oh yeah, no, she's fine. She's going through it perfectly fine. Yeah, it wasn't too deep. It's always a good idea to get out and check unless you're really comfortable with the capabilities of your vehicle. I've only owned this for a little while, but I put it to its paces, seen what it can and can't do. And I've had it in some predicaments that I had to, you know, be helped out of. It's usually best to come out with a group of people, because you never quite know quite what you're going to get into, and things can always go wrong. And this looks like the back of someone's shop. Well, my bad, guys. I'm just going to turn around. Sorry. Yeah, okay, so this is where everyone parks their work cars, with this group of shops and stuff. My bad, fellas. That guy looks like he comes through the back way, because he's got a little four-wheel drive built there. Oh yeah, let's turn the secondary battery on. Probably should have that one. Just running some extra power through the system. We turn the underlights on, but that doesn't really do much. It's some good aesthetic for people around me, but you know, underlights would be good for if you need to do trail repairs, or if you're like a lead vehicle, you can show the terrain to the other people behind you, especially if they're waterproof. We want to go back through this. Yeah, let's go back through it. Oh, that was some fun. We don't even really need to be in four-wheel drive for this part, you know, it's really not too bad. And we've already been down this part, so I'm just going to find the next section to turn around in, which will probably be where that 92 sign is, or the 9, whatever the fuck it was, sign. I might even just chuck it back into high range. Okay, now we're in just four-wheel high. Alright, well, I've had my little bit of fun. I just wanted to come in here and see where this all goes. Because I drove past it a couple of times for work. And, yeah, I was like, curious. I wonder where that goes. Yeah, there we go. Throw up some of the muddy water and shit. Downhill section off road. Put it back in. Now we're in the range again. It's a really disused track that goes off towards the tip there. Easy, lemon squeezy. Really easy in this low range first gear. To just let the gears do all the work. I don't have to worry so much. Actually, I haven't got my foot on the brake at all. It's just on the accelerator, just controlling the throttle a little bit. There you go. Now turn on my beamers now. And here we go.